2012 Kia Optima. Today we're going to be replacing the backup camera, which is right here. This one I bought from Amazon for about less than $40. It looks like this. It came in that box. What happens is you put it on reverse and you just have a blank screen like that one. You can try to wiggle the wires first and see if that fixes the problem, but usually you got to replace the camera. So you're going to want to open your trunk. So the camera is right here. I have a flat head and Phillips head and some little flat head right here. What you're gonna do first is you're gonna pop this open right here. This pops up like that. Then you will have two Phillips head screws right there, and then you're gonna have plastic clips all over here. This is already missing, like this one right here. All you gotta do is take it out and then you can pop the whole thing off just like that. You don't have to take this whole thing off. You can just kind of leave it open like this. So pull this out right here. You're gonna pry it off with a flathead screwdriver right here, and then you're gonna disconnect the wire. There's a tab right here that you push, and then you can disconnect it from this. Now you have this plastic tab right here. Usually you can pull it out or pull it down with your hand, but I'm gonna try to pry it down first with a flathead screwdriver. There we go. That's what's holding the camera right there. Once you remove that plastic clip, go ahead and come over here and gently pry this out right here. You want to be careful not to damage the paint when you're doing this. All right, so I have the camera out. So what you do is you reach it from the inside and you press on the metal clip right here. You might have to kind of fight with it for a bit. Then you pull the whole thing out. So to install the new one, you're gonna put the wiring harness right through that hole, and make sure that your camera is facing this way, not down like this. I want it to face this way, just like that. Okay, now I have the plastic clip right over here, just like that. And this should lock it in. That plastic clip should lock the whole camera in place. That's what it looks like right here. Now we can go ahead and plug the connector back on. This little clip came off, but go ahead and lock it in place like that. And let's go and check and see if the camera works now. There we go. Camera works perfect. Like I said, you can buy this from Amazon for I paid about 35 bucks for this. It came in this box right here. Now that we have the camera installed, go ahead and put your cover back on. Don't forget to install your plastic clips all around right here. And then you got two screws right here that you put back on and close everything up. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button. And again, thank you for watching.